Are you looking to start a stable new career? Fairfax County is now hiring professional CDL drivers.
I love it. I can do different stuff every day. I can help people. It's just a fun job.
The county was a perfect opportunity to start a career.
I come to work every day and I'm happy. I love running the equipment, my truck, driving, talking on the CB, everything.
As a driver for Fairfax County, you'll receive competitive pay, a strong benefits package, and opportunities to grow your career.
Once you get in, it opens your eyes up to different career opportunities where you can go.
It's one of the best retirements in the country. That's not just my opinion, that's an actual fact. You can look it up.
Most importantly, we value your safety and your time away from work.
County really cares about, family-oriented environment. They want us to get home safely. Want you to get home to your family, do your job safely in a timely manner and carefully.
It's a great bunch of guys, the camaraderie is really great. The atmosphere is fun, and that's what I'm all about. I'm all about having fun out here on the job.
Get your career rolling. Apply now at fairfaxcounty.gov.
Not just a job, but a career.